This is the review of the Bliiq Hummingbird wireless headset. Let's get into it. So first thing we're gonna do is start off with why they are worth $100, and the second thing we'll do is why they are not worth $100 and what I kind of think about the package overall. So let's get into that. So the first thing that I say that would stand up for a $100 feature is the fact of the design. So most headphones, as you guys know, like they kind of feel cheap, whatever. Like, you know, when sometimes a company reach out to you, if you never shop with a company, you're not really used to their products, the first thing you're gonna do is go with the feel test. So how do they feel? So I would definitely say they definitely feel premium. They don't feel like they're cheap. They are plastic, but they don't feel like a plastic set of headphones that you get at Walmart on some random type purchase. Like, no, these actually feel like they actually took some time to actually craft these headphones to have a premium feel design. And honestly, just to be real, I'm really feeling like their little logo here. Like that logo to me is fire. Like the way it's kind of like engraved, not really engraved, but the way it sits into the plastic, it sits kind of like, I guess you would say flush, but it looks really good. The second thing I will recommend these headphones is pretty much like how easy it is to pair them with your phone. You know, sometimes you gotta sit there and like kind of go through like a strange process when you're pairing headsets for the first time. Honestly, with these, I paired them up, held the button, they were straightforward. We got straight to the point. So definitely shout out to that, man, because sometimes you get headphones from a brand that you're not aware of, that you haven't really heard too much about. Sometimes there's a hassle with going through certain motions, even as simple as pairing. So far, straight out the box, they are really easy to use. Third thing though, I'm sitting here saying why they are definitely worth the $100 price point is the fact that they actually flush into you, like they actually sit flush into your ear canal. Now for these here, you know, sometimes you get these type of headphones, they don't always have the in-ear design. These do, so I guess you can kind of compare them to like the Beats X for iPhone users or Android users, something like the Gear Icons. But again, as you guys can see, like the little ear chip, and they come with at least like 6 to 8 different various ear tips that can fit your ear. So if you can't find the one straight at the box, you have a lot more to choose from. Now, the last thing I would definitely say that these things are worth $100 for is the ambient mode. Ambient mode to me is definitely fire. Like, so pretty much you hit the power button, which is the middle button. You hit that twice. And what happens is it turns on the secondary mic, in which picks up any sound around you, in which you can hear directly to your ear. So you can still hear your music, but you hear the other surrounding sounds around you, and it just really makes a dope experience, right? I just really wasn't expecting this from the $100 price point, because I have headphones that cost more than this that doesn't even offer an ambient mode even comparable to these. And the last thing which I want to forget is battery life. So battery life to me has been dope. I get at least like 12 hours. They say 15, they say 14 and a half hours, but the way I kind of have my music always pumped up to the max, I give you about 12, but again, it varies on use. Now, let's kind of get into the thing I'm not like super hyped about, and I would say you probably can definitely find something either cheaper or that's a little bit more expensive to get you a better sound. So sound-wise, they are good. So are they great? I would get, like on a scale, I'll probably get like a BB plus. Again, it pretty much depends on your ears, but for me, I like my music super bassy. For me, these are not like super bassy. These I would say are more so for the audiophiles, for people who look at that perfect level between mids, highs, and lows. Like if you want that perfect balance, if you don't really want one overpowering another, I would definitely say pick these up. But if you're somebody who like me, if you're going out, you kind of going to the gym, you want to run, and you kind of just want some bass that really kind of keeps you pumped up and moving, I would definitely say yeah. Another thing I did forget to mention is, as you guys see, like kind of in the footage, these things are definitely good for movement and mobility. So the way they kind of wrap around your ear with their flex design, like they pretty much stay in your ear. Now, me personally, I'd rather have the cord wrapped around down here towards the bottom, but they got it wrapped around your ear canal. You know, again, that's more of a personal preference. I wouldn't say don't pick these or pick these for that reason only, but I would say it's just far as movement, as you guys see, like walking down the stairs, even a little bit of dance. For my dancers out there, these will definitely stay in your ear with no problem at all. Now, with that being said, I know you guys are probably wondering after the negatives and kind of like a positive. I feel like it's the perfect balance, so it kind of help you make a decision for yourself. But again, I would recommend these for people who are not looking for bass heavy headphones, more so for those people who are looking for like the perfect balance between the two. So if you're somebody who don't like their music extra bassy, but kind of like the perfect level between the lows, highs, and mids, I would definitely say pick these up. But they are definitely great for working out, mobility, dancing, as you guys saw. Had some fun with this video, man. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It's your boy Sean Be Nice, and I'm out. Deuces.